Hello and welcome. Today we are going to solve a foundational array manipulation problem. Rotate an array to the left by one position. Stick around till the end of this video. By the end, you will have clear understanding on how to build the logic and improve your problem solving skills. Let's build logic step by step. Let's say we have an array A containing 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Length is 6. And we need to rotate this array to the left by 1, which means this 1 should come at the end and rest all other elements should get shifted to the left by 1 position. Let's see how can we build the logic for this. Now as this 1 has to be shifted to the end, let's store it in one temporary variable. Let's say we have a variable temp where we will save a of 0, that is the first element. Now we need to shift all other elements to the left by one position. So once we shift, 2 should come here, 3 should come here, 4 should come here, 5 should come here, and 6 should come here. How do we shift array elements? Let's take one I variable to iterate through the array till the second last element. So we have for I equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1. This is because we need to iterate till the second last element, and I plus plus. Now how do we shift? So if you notice here carefully, here we need to place a of I plus element at the a of I position. So if I is pointing here, to I plus 1 will point here. So we will place a of I plus 1 element at a of I position. So let's write it down. A of I equal to a of I plus 1. By end of this loop, all these elements from 2 to 6 will be shifted by one position. Now we need to fill remaining last element with this 1, which is already stored in this temporary variable. So let's do that. Here a of n minus 1 equal to 10. Let's write code for our logic. Here I have already declared an array A containing 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So instead of hard coding length to 6, we can calculate length like this. Length will be size of total array divided by size of one element of the array. Now let's implement the rotate array to the left by one function. Here we have rotate array to the left by one function. It accepts integer pointer, which is a array pointer, and its length. Let's use one variable I, int I, which will help us in traversing the array, and one more variable int temp, which will hold the first element of the array, which is a of 0. Now let's traverse through the array. For I equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1, because we need to traverse till the second last element, and I plus plus. Now shift the array elements to the left by one position, which we can do by a of I equals to a of I plus 1. And finally fill the last element with first element, which is a of n minus 1 equals to temp. Now our function is ready. Let's call it from main and see whether it works. Let's pass array pointer and its length. Now let's compile the code. Now let's run it. Here, as you can see, our input array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One has been shifted to the end and rest all elements have been left shifted by 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.